seafarers. My name is Jomari Bing Hello, BSMT second year. So today, I'm gonna show you how to unloading and loading of cargoes by using the crane. You need to do the following. First, switch on the crane. So this is the crane, miniature of crane. The operator must know how to switch on the crane before doing his job, loading and unloading of cargoes. The second one is set up and inspect material moving equipment if it is in good condition. So it means the operator must know if the crane is in good condition to avoid caution and hazard of doing his job to operate the crane.
I'm John Clifford Mabilangan. I'm the second presentator of unloading the cargo. First, lowering the hoisting wire with cargo block on cargo runner. Second, hook the sling wire into cargo.
My name is Michael Rinabad. I'm the third presentator of loading the cargo using the crane. The third is carefully move the cargo according to a plan. Remember, always take command for your superior.
My name is Carlos Miguel Pons Cabuhat. I'm the fourth presentator of unloading the cargo using the crane. First, having the hoisting wire with the cargo block or cargo hammer. The sling wire with the cargo.
Hi, my name is Rajun Komya. I'm the presentator of unloading the cargo using the crane. Fourth, remove the sling wire from the cargo. Always remember, we should take care the cargo because cargo is the life of seafarers business and all the vessels company. That's all. Thank you for watching our video presentation about loading and unloading of the cargo using the crane.